Hello everyone. In this video, we'll walk you through an additional and often overlooked use case for conemis transition cloud, preserving test data during Salesforce environment refreshes. Environment refreshes in Salesforce are essential for keeping systems aligned with production and updated configurations. However, they come with a significant drawback: the complete loss of existing test data. This means that even well-designed business-critical test scenarios must be recreated manually after every refresh, introducing delays, inefficiencies, and increased risk of inconsistencies. But don't worry, keep your chin up. With conemis Transition Cloud, or CTC in short, you can back up the required test data and restore it to your testing environment, or even to another environment, whenever you want after a refresh. And it's easy. You just use CTC's core functionality as a data journey platform. First, analyze your testing environment using readiness assessment. With just a few clicks, you can scan the test org and visualize a list of tables and data information. While reviewing the list, you can simply tick the objects you need to include to configure the export scope. Next, let's create the query used to export the test data. It's very easy. Write a name for the extract definition and click the Create button. The definition will then be created in the Export section, where you can edit the filters to ensure only test data is exported. Since you can use the standard SOQL syntax, there's no need to worry about getting it wrong. To export the data, simply select the completed extract definition and press the Start button. The data will be exported and securely stored on the platform. All that remains is loading and mapping. In this case, since the source and target organizations are in the same environment, you only need to configure a simple one-to-one mapping. Using CTC's auto mapping feature, you can perform the mapping smoothly. You can then proceed directly to the loading step. Loading is just as easy. Click the Load button next to the exported data and import it into the target environment. After setting the number of threads and batch size to optimize load performance, start the process, and you can monitor the loading progress in real time. And that's it. The load is complete. That's all there is to it. With this approach, you can resume your project immediately after a refresh, with no loss of time or data. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, subscribe to our channel for more useful information. For details or inquiries, please visit our website via the link in the video description.